Hello Abundant Lifestyle folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll embark on a step-by-step journey on how to start a successful dropshipping business. If you're subscribed to our channel or have been following us, you'll remember that we recently made a video on the 5 best ways to make money online. Now we're going to go over a step-by-step guide to help you get started with each of those 5 strategies, starting with dropshipping. Now, with dropshipping, you can sell products to your customers without holding any physical merchandise. I know, a dream come true, right? All right, so let's dive in. Here's our step-by-step game plan. Number 1 is market research and niche selection. Next, once you have your selected niche, the second step is competitor analysis. Once we've analyzed our competitors, we start the fun part. Supplier outreach. And fourth, once we have researched and obtained suppliers, the next step is to build an e-commerce website. You can either do this yourself or find a freelancer on sites like Fiverr to do it for you. Fifth, once you have your website ready to go, we begin customer acquisition and marketing processes. And finally, once you have your customers coming into your website, your final step is running and scaling your business. Now let's go into a little more detail on each of these steps. Now, the first step in starting your dropshipping business is market research and niche selection. Don't rush this step. Stick to a niche that's not too saturated but is trending and has a consistent demand over time. You can use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, Amazon Bestsellers List, and social media platforms to find trending products. All right, next we have competitor analysis. So you want to gauge your competitors to understand how they operate, their marketing tactics, and their strengths and weaknesses. There are many analyst tools to help you like SEMrush, SimilarWeb, or Alexa. Now, these will provide you with a robust breakdown of your competition and the market landscape. So, once we've decided our product and understand our competitors, we need to find reliable suppliers. Now, try platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, and others. Now, here's a tip when contacting suppliers. Be professional. You may just be a small startup, but always represent yourself as a serious buyer. And take your time vetting these suppliers. You don't want to rush this step either. Now, with the supplier on board, it's time to build a storefront. If you're going to build the website yourself, we recommend Shopify for beginners due to its simplicity and robust features. So sign up, pick a name, add products, set up payment gateways and shipping settings, and voila, your store is ready to go. Now, on to the most exciting part, marketing. So, start with a strong SEO strategy. Develop high-quality content that drives organic traffic. Then you can start to consider paid advertising like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to boost your visibility and sales. If you're not very knowledgeable on these marketing strategies, sites like Udemy offer reasonably priced courses to help you bring you up to speed. Finally, running and scaling your business. So just make sure to monitor your sales, track customer behaviors, and tweak your marketing tactics as needed. As you grow, you might want to venture into new product lines, expand your marketing initiatives, or who knows, maybe even hire a team one day. All right, folks. And that's it. That's the blueprint for starting and running a successful dropshipping business. Remember, it will not always be smooth sailing, but with patience and perseverance and the key steps, you'll be adding value to the e-commerce world and reaping the rewards. Good luck, and here's to your abundant lifestyle. Now, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos, and don't forget to hit the bell notifications to stay updated. Until next time, goodbye and stay abundant. Remember, the biggest key to success is taking action. Be patient, stick with it, and you'll get there. Persistence and perseverance outweigh talent any day.